Hello dear students, after completion of our chapter number 3, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 4, chemical bonding and molecular structures. First of all, what do you mean by chemical bond? Chemical bond means attractive force which hold various particles. Particle means there is a presence of positive and negative ions or atoms to form a chemical species, or you can say chemical molecules, is known as chemical bonds. There are many types of chemical bonds which are present in our chemistry. First bond is covalent bond, second bond is coordination covalent bond, then metallic bond, then our ionic bond. Many types of bonds are present. We are going to discuss why some elements are mixed with each other and forming a specific molecular structures, or we have a question that specific geometrical molecules is formed by joining of some specific elements. These questions are answered by various theories, and those theories are: first theory is known as Clausius-Lewis approach. The second theory is known as VSEPR. Third theory is VB, and fourth one is MO. These four types of theories will give you your chemical bonding explanation, and these are the short term. VSEPR means VSEPR means valence shell, then E means electron, P means pair, and R means repulsion. So the full form is valence shell electron pair repulsion. This is a normal. VB means valence bond theory, and last one is MO, molecular orbital theory. We are going to start our first theory, which is Clausius-Lewis approach. The scientist Clausius-Lewis gives the explanation about kernel. Kernel means this Lewis stated atom as a kernel. Kernel means your nucleus plus protected electrons. Nucleus plus protected electron means in any atom there are two partitions are there. Protected electrons means electrons which have their octet state complete, and the another type is known as valence shell electron. Lewis said that any atom can complete their octet state by joining with another element with sharing of electron, or you can say coordination covalent bond. जब दोनों एलिमेंट एक दूसरे के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन का शेयरिंग करेंगे तभी उनकी ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होगी. दैट इज द पोस्टुलेट ऑफ Clausius-Lewis. Clausius-Lewis another thing said that cations and anions cations forming by losing the electron, and anions which is forming by accepting the electrons. In the example of NaCl, our first cation is Na plus and the another anion is Cl minus. In this case, normal sodium atom is giving its first electron to the chlorine normal atom. So Na is converted into positive charge and chlorine is converted into negative charge. Lewis also said that there is a structure of molecule in a 3 dimension is known as lattice. In this lattice there is a 8 corner. So in the example of sodium chloride cubic structure, you know the shape exactly, the 3-dimensional structure. This is our cubic format. These have 8 corners. So our positive ion means our cation is situated in a center of the cubic shell, and anions surround this positive charge particle, that is Na plus. In cation only one corner is occupied, but when there is a talking about Cl minus which have octet state complete now, that Cl minus occupies total 8 corners of this lattice. Lewis also explained about Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol means any atom starting from lithium, then beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Lewis said that the valence shell electrons are showing in a formation of dot. Means lithium has atomic number 3, but it has only one electron in its outermost orbitals. So we can discuss like this: lithium has electronic configuration 1s2, then 2s1, beryllium 1s2, 2s2, boron 1s2, 2s3, then carbon 1s2, sorry here boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So these digits are known as outermost orbitals. So in lithium there is a presence of only one electron, in beryllium there is a presence of 2 electron, in boron 3 electron, carbon 4 electron. In this lithium, the presence of electrons like this, lithium has outermost electron 1 is present, in beryllium there are 2 electrons, in boron have 3 electrons, carbon has 4 electrons, nitrogen has 5 electrons, oxygen has 6 electrons, and fluorine has 7 valence shell electrons. You can confirm by this type of electronic configuration that carbon has 4 till fluorine has 7 electrons. Now Lewis explained this with example, and our example is NaCl will give Na plus Cl minus. This type of cation and anion generation by losing or gaining the electron. And if we are talking about neutral molecules like N2Cl2H2, that is forming by a sharing of electrons. This sodium will lose its outermost electron, and that electron is gained by this chlorine. So we will get Cl plus electron minus gives Cl minus. So this Na is converted into Na plus, and Cl is converted into Cl minus. So our electronic configuration for this sodium is Ne 3s1, and over here Ne means 10 plus 1 electron, so 11 electrons, and now normal Ne is 10 electron. In chlorine there is a presence of neon 3s2 3p5, but gaining this first electron from sodium, this is converted into Ne 3s2 3p6. Neon means 10 electron and 3s2 3p6 means 18 electron. So these both ions have a octet state complete configuration. So this octet rule is followed by gaining and accepting the electron or electron pair. Another example is CaF2. In this calcium fluoride, Ca plus 2 plus 2F minus. So we can say that this calcium has atomic number 20, but this calcium loses 2 electrons, so it has 18 electrons now, and fluorine has atomic number 9, but fluorine accept 1 electron, and this convert into F minus, so total 10 electrons. So in this example also the octet state complete in a formation of compound calcium fluoride. You can show this equation Ca2 Ca plus 2 plus 2 electron and F plus E minus will give F minus. Okay. Now we are going to discuss what is the rule of this symbolic formation. This Lewis structure we can use in explanation of atoms like H2, Cl2, N2, H2O, CH4, CCl4. This type of molecules we can explain by this Lewis symbol. We are going to take example of Cl. So the normal structure of Cl is Cl bond Cl, and now in a Lewis structure, first chlorine and second chlorine. First chlorine has outermost electron number 7. So this chlorine is represented by Lewis structure like this. These 7 electrons of first chlorine. Now another 7 electrons I am going to show those electrons by cross. So these 7 electrons are comes from second number chlorine. Now in a center electrons, these electrons are known as shared electrons. First electron from left hand side and second electron which is comes from right hand side. So both electrons have octet state complete. These 8 electrons are considered on left hand side and these 8 electrons are considered on right hand side. So we can say that after sharing of electron, both chlorine has their octet state complete. Another example is water molecule H2O. H, O and H. The normal bond structure of water. This oxygen is a center atom. This oxygen has total 6 electrons in a valence shell. From these 6 electrons, 2 electrons are shared with these 2 hydrogen, and hydrogen has only 1 electron. So we can draw the structure of oxygen like this: total 4 electrons written as 2 above and 2 bottom. Fifth one is on left hand side and sixth one is on right hand side. And now hydrogen is present and a first electron of hydrogen is over here and first electron of hydrogen on right hand side. So this is the Lewis structure of water molecule H2O. So the hydrogen has 2 electron, so the octet of hydrogen is complete. This hydrogen has again 2 electrons, so the octet of this hydrogen is also complete, like helium. Helium has electronic configuration 1s2, and the center oxygen has also the complete octet. So these 8 electrons are considered as octet rule. 8 electron, over here 2 electron and 2 electron. 2 electron for hydrogen, 8 electron for oxygen. And you can try this type of example at your home. Third one is CCl4. So this chlorine has a 7 valence electron and carbon has a 4 electron, like this. In CCl4 means carbon tetrachloride, the carbon is known as center atom. So the carbon have these 4 electrons, and this chlorine we can write over here. This chlorine has 7 electrons in a valence shell. Again over here this is a second chlorine. Again this is a third chlorine, and on fourth bond, fourth chlorine is there. So this is the Lewis structure of CCl4. You can clearly see this center carbon has 8 electron. So the octet of center carbon is complete, and this is another octet state for chlorine. This also has 8 electron. This chlorine has also 8 electron. You can calculate like this, and this chlorine has also 8 electrons. So all has 8 electronic octet state complete structure. So this is the use of Lewis symbol. We can draw the structures of Lewis of any molecule. Now we are going to discuss our double bond, single bond and triple bond. This example is contains single bond, chlorine chlorine. So just a definition is, when the atoms are sharing 2 electrons, that bond is known as single bond. When the molecules are sharing of 4 electrons, there is leads to double bond, and when the atoms sharing of a total 6 electrons, so that is form triple bond. Our example is oxygen double bond oxygen and nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. This oxygen has 6 outermost electrons, So 4 and this 2, which is used in formation of double bond, and on another end second oxygen has also 6 electron, and there is a total 4 electrons are in the center, so double bond is formed. And in nitrogen 3 and 2, total 5 electrons of nitrogen, and another nitrogen has the same electronic configurations, so total 6 electrons are present in between these two nitrogen atom. So we can say that total 4 electrons leads to double bond and total 6 electron leads to triple bond. You can try many types of Lewis structure at your home, and you have to draw first structure of CH4, methane. This carbon is known as center atom in methane. So you have to show the octet state complete of this carbon, and this 4 hydrogen has the same octet complete like 2 electrons which is present in a water molecule. Okay, thank you.